Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I'm going to look at a fragrance from the house of ScentStory. This one is called a 24 Ice Gold. And this is what the bottle looks like from the sample picture. Nice little bottle there with the gold cap and the blue juice. I actually got a free sample of this from a representative of ScentStory. They asked me if I was interested in a free sample in exchange for my thoughts on a video, and I said okay. So they sent me some samples, including this newer one, 24 Ice Gold. Came out in 2016, and it's classified as a floral woody musk fragrance. Top notes include bergamot, apple, and red fruits. Middle notes are jasmine, rose, and cedarwood. And in the base, we have ambrox, patchouli, and white musk. Um, so yeah, right off the bat, yeah, you do get like a red apple with some bergamot, mostly there. So the citrusy there, but it's not like a really juicy fruitiness to my nose because in addition to the citrus accords, you get a lot of florals in the heart. The jasmine and rose really give it sort of like a perfumey kind of a feel. And then, of course, the base with the white musk gives it more of a clean laundry-like smell too. A lot of people are comparing this one to Dolce and Gabbana's Light Blue for Women. So when I hear that, it really makes me wonder why a lot of guys would be too excited about this one. I think this one would probably appeal more to women, at least in terms of like the general population sense. In the fragrance community, a lot of guys seem to be um, liking these unisex type scents or even feminine scents. And traditionally, I prefer something with a bit of a masculine feel to it. So I find this one probably slightly more wearable than most women's fragrances, but just slightly so. I did wear this one to work a few times. Didn't get any feedback from anybody. Nobody said it smelled good or bad or anything. Um, so it just came across. I think it's just a nice, pleasant, clean scent to their nose. I thought it performed pretty well. I mean, I could smell it myself. Um, so I would definitely say if you're going to buy this one, try to sample it first if you're not really into feminine scents, or if you want to get an idea of what it smells like, maybe get a sniff of the light blue for women and see how you feel about that one, because that one, a lot of people say is pretty similar. So let me give you my final scores here. This smell, I'll give it 6.5 out of 10. Thought it smelled nice. It just really leaned more towards the feminine side, in my opinion. Projection longevity, pretty well. I'll say 3 to 5 hours. Pretty easy to pick up on. Versatility, 7 out of 10. A good choice for spring and summer if you're looking for something kind of floral and citrusy with a musky base to it. Uniqueness, 6.5 out of 10 because of the comparisons with other fragrances like Light Blue for Women. It doesn't really stand out too much, but it is a nice scent. Um, Prices, 3.4 ounce bottles can be had for around $55 online. Check around, prices vary, but around $55 should get you a bottle. Overall, I'm going to say for a guy, 6 out of 10, a bit feminine. For women, I think a little bit better, maybe 7.5 out of 10. I would say for a guy you're looking for a red apple fragrance, probably something like Lacoste Style and Play or Lacoste Red, uh, it's also known as, is a good red apple scent with a nice masculine booziness, little sporty feel to it. This one, you make sure you're okay with that perfumey uh, heart before you get too carried away with this one. Check it out first and see how you feel about that. But it is a nice scent if you like something kind of floral with the bergamot red apple and the clean laundry like muskiness to it. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.